Hi, today I'm part of your MOTOROLA Moto G73 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. So now we should get this first application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So then we should open the app and tap to yes agree, to be closed, and to tap on the left down corner. Then we'll see here information about our battery temperature, and we can see that it's 29 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, model, and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.